Hi everyone, my name is Ambrose Bredd with 3i Technologies, and as you can see, we got a packed house here for our third Connected Solutions Expo, this time in Houston, Texas. All right, so I'm with Mark from Route For Me. Been a partner of AT&T for a number of years, does a really great job enabling and kind of better together with some of these other brands here. But what's been trending right now with Route For Me? What are you seeing?
Yeah, Ambrose, with some of the market uncertainty, we saw the same thing with COVID, right? Where people were trying to understand how they could do something differently to get to their customers where their customers couldn't get to them. Customers didn't want to go out into the world, right? They were really worried about it. And with some of the economic uncertainty right now, we're seeing a lot uptick in customers that are trying to improve their operation, do things more efficiently, do it smarter, provide visibility downstream to their customers on what they're providing, and they're just looking for different ways to do that. And that's in Route For Me's DNA. That's fundamentally what we do. And we do it in concert with our strategic partners, AT&T, Fleet Complete. We go to market together, and we're just looking for ways that we can help customers in perhaps areas that they hadn't considered before.
All right, so I'm with Alan from AT&T Fleet Complete. Fleet Complete's been deployed nationwide across thousands of customers, right? We all know that. But today you're showcasing an AI solution with the camera. Tell us about it.
Absolutely, Ambrose. What you're holding there is our Vision AI 2.0. It's our newest dashcam solution. It uses AI technology on the lenses that focus on the road and the driver to promote good driving behavior. So what it's doing is identifying events such as distracted driving, speeding, rolling stops, as well as distracted driving without a seatbelt. And it notifies the driver with an audible alert on the spot so that they can correct those behaviors and prevent accidents from happening in the first place. We have the solution being deployed, like you said, in thousands of customers in both the public and private space.
Yeah, safety is very important for transportation. So thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
So I'm with Cody from Semtech. We all know the Semtech brand. They're showcasing the XR series devices. You got the 90 with the modules, you got the 60. But tell us, what do you want AT&T sellers to know today about what's trending?
Yeah, the big topic for us right now is the Western supplier, being a Western supplier, trusted supplier. The DoD released some naughty lists for critical infrastructure customers early this year, and being able to, both do the cell module but finish routers that are not made in certain countries has been a really big topic of interest this year for our end customers.
That's great to know. So we'll look forward to seeing what's next in the roadmap this year for Semtech.
Yeah, absolutely. We have a lot of really neat stuff on the roadmap around 5G and this reduced capacity. We just released a reduced capacity 5G module that's being tested by AT&T right now. So some really neat stuff for ultra low power, critical infrastructure type applications.
All right, so I'm with David Brin, RAM Mounts. You've been at most of these shows over the last couple of years, but I'd like to hear from you. What has been the feedback from the AT&T end users that you've been receiving?
Sure, customers are thrilled that they've got a much easier process to identify and source the right products that really fit their needs, depending upon their use case. And that could be anywhere from going in a delivery vehicle to inside a warehouse to in a first response, an EMS or a police vehicle. We've just made it much easier for them to source the right product from them. In large part due to our availability through AT&T Speed, really easy to buy product, get it on AT&T's paper, pay one single bill. Being partnered with 3i Technologies that more often than not has product in stock and is able to kit, stage, assemble everything, just makes it a much more seamless process from start to finish.
Yeah, getting all of the products loaded on AT&T Speed so that these sellers can be independent and get those quotes that they need and see inventory levels in stock has been, I've also been hearing the same thing. The process is much easier.
Yep.
So
absolutely. They're not having to solve their own puzzle each and every time they've got a deployment. They've got a single point of contact who will call in multiple partners and all work hand in hand to make sure the customer's taken care of.
Yes. So once again, thanks again. We're going to see you on the road in about 5 more weeks. So we'll see you then. Thanks.
Thanks, Ambrose.